Hello gardeners, welcome to my channel. In this video we will talk about dahlias. Dahlias need no introduction. They are probably one of the most popular flowering plants. They stand out for their beautiful big colorful flowers. They come in many varieties and they are not difficult to grow at all. The best ways to grow them is to get small plants or tubers. They have tubers like potatoes that grow underneath the soil. You can plant those and grow new plants from them. You can also save the tubers after the plant dies and grow them next year. They can also be grown from seeds and cuttings too, but saplings and tubers are easier and quicker ways to grow them. My plant has grown tall and flopping all over. The flowers are heavy and winds can break them, so give them support when you plant them. You can also grow short or dwarf varieties of dahlias which will not get too tall and will be ideal for containers. To make your plant bushy, you can pinch the top of your plant when it's growing. That will encourage side shoots and more flowers. It is not necessary, but if your plant is not getting naturally bushy, then you can do it. They are sun-loving plants, so give them enough sunlight. You can actually grow them in partial shade too, but 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight will help you get more flowers. So choose a sunny spot for them if you have. You can move them to a shadier place when it gets too hot. They do well in containers. Choose a good size container for them. Take a minimum of 8 to 10 inch container. I have grown this in an 8 inch container. Choose your pot depending on the variety of the plant. Give them space to grow so you get better results. The tubers also need space to develop, so a bigger pot will be better. They are hungry plants, so mix good quality compost with your soil. You can mix 30 to 50% compost with your soil and make sure your potting mix is well draining. Dahlias like a well draining rich soil. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of bone meal with your soil and apply liquid mustard cake fertilizer weekly. I also add crushed dried eggshells and composted tea leaves in my plants. You can add that too. You can also add 1 tablespoon of neem cake powder to protect the tubers from fungus attack. Water them regularly and properly. Keep your soil moist and water only when the soil is getting dry. Don't overwater them, that can damage the tubers, and also don't let them get too dry either. Maintain the moisture throughout. They can get a lot of pest problems like aphids, mealybugs and spider mites. My plants have aphids too, so take precautions and spray organic pesticides like neem oil weekly to keep your plant healthy. Deadheading or pruning the dead flowers is very important. Don't leave the dry flowers in the plant for too long. Cut the flower as soon as they fade to enhance more flowering. When the heat increases, you can put them in partial shade, and after the plant dies back, you can take the tubers and save them in a dry place for next season. That is all you got to do to maintain dahlias. They are a great addition to your garden, so grow them and happy gardening. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any queries, post it down in the comment section. I will see you next time. Bye!